All right, is everybody ready to go with their seatbelts buckled? I don't think Rocky has his seatbelt buckled. Yeah, okay, I'll get in the car and buckle my seatbelt. Ready. Let's step on the gas. Oops, sorry guys. Whose idea was it to let Marshall drive? Yes, we're here. Oops. Is everyone all right? Yeah, we're okay. That was actually kind of fun. So, where are we exactly? We're at the dough factory, of course. We get to create whatever we want with dough. Now that's cool. Rubble gets lemon dough. Rocky gets key lime dough. Zuma gets mango dough. Sky gets cream soda dough. Marshall gets black licorice dough. And Chase gets blueberry dough, of course. All right, it's time to open the containers and see your dough. What are you going to make with your dough, Rebel? I'm going to make a star. Ta-da! What about you, Rocky? What are you going to make? I'm going to make a circle. Ta-da! I'm going to make a square. Ta-da! I'm going to make a heart. That dough was way too sticky. I'm going to use this dough instead. Ta-da! I'm going to make a diamond. Ta-da! I'm going to make a triangle. Ta-da! Good job, Paw Patrol. You guys sure are pro sculptors. All right, tiny fans, it is now story time. We're going to read Peppa Pig. Ding dong, let's play. Peppa is planning a picnic today with her friends. All of a sudden, it starts to rain. Oh no, who will show up when it's raining? Peppa says to Mummy Pig. Ding dong. Susie Sheep shows up. And she's brought a cake for the picnic. Ring. Now Pedro Pony is here with sandwiches. Perhaps rainy days aren't so bad after all, says Peppa. We can have a picnic in the kitchen. What a lovely idea, Peppa, says Mummy Pig. Ding dong. It's Candy Cat at the door. She's brought a ball for everyone to play with at the picnic. George runs to his room and gets his favorite toy, too. While the children start to eat cake and sandwiches, the sun comes out. Snort, Mummy, Daddy, it stopped raining, says Peppa. Can we go outside and play? Haha, all right, says Daddy Pig. Run along, everyone, and don't forget your boots. Just then, the doorbell rings. More of Peppa's friends are at the door. It's too muddy for an outdoor picnic, but it's just right to jump in muddy puddles. Susie Sheep, Pedro Pony, Candy Cat, and George put on their boots and head outside with Peppa. Later, Peppa and George ring the doorbell. "Hello, did you have fun jumping in muddy puddles?" asks Mummy Pig. "Yes, we did," hee, says Peppa. Everyone loves jumping up and down in muddy puddles. The end. All right, tiny fans, it is now time to open the surprise box. Let's see what's inside. It's a whisk. I wonder what this could mean. Guess what, tiny fans? You're in for a treat because today we're making muffins. These muffins aren't just any muffins, though. They're meant for breakfast, and they're actually going to be fairly healthy. Well, as healthy as a muffin can get. They have raisins, walnuts, coconut flakes, carrots. They're going to be scrum-diddly-umptious. First, we obviously start with a bowl. Now we're going to add 2 cups of flour. We like to use einkorn flour because it's 100% organic, which makes it way easier to digest. It's better for us and our bodies. Way healthier for you than regular flour. Now it's time to add the sugar. We like to buy organic cane sugar because it's much better for you than the other processed sugar. One cup of sugar? Check! The recipe actually calls for 1 cup and 1/4 cup of sugar, but I decided to just do a cup because we don't need too much sugar. Now, 2 teaspoons of baking soda. 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. A pinch of salt. Next, the recipe calls for 2 cups of shredded carrots. Let's go shred some carrots. You have to be very careful when using a grater because it's very easy to cut yourself. Make sure a parent is here always when you're using a grater. They can help you. Now we can add our shredded carrot. Now, 1 cup of shredded apple. In goes the shredded apple. 1/2 cup raisins. Now we need 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts. Now we chop this. Now 1/2 cup of coconut flakes. Now we mix. Now, in a separate bowl, we mix the wet ingredients. 3 eggs. Next, we add 1 cup of vegetable oil. We like to use organic avocado oil. And last but certainly not least, vanilla extract. 2 teaspoons to be exact. Now we get to use the whisk. Now we pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Now we fill these with cupcake liners. Now we put 2 scoops of batter in each cup. All done! Now we're going to bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. In the oven they go! The muffins are finished. They look so yummy. After letting them cool in the pan for 5 minutes, I transfer them to this rack so they can cool completely. These muffins are delicious. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.